Good morning, students. We're going to talk about the last section in Unit 6 before we get ready to review. So this one deals with word applications with inequalities. So what we're basically talking about is they're going to give us scenarios and we need to figure out if it's going to be greater than or equal, less, or less than or equal. And there's 4 different scenarios and words that they can use. And so once we discuss how to tell which one goes with which, you'll always be able to tell. So on the first one, we've got the movie costs at least $6. So I'm going to let C be my variable for cost. And I know 6 is kind of like the pivotal number. So what I want to think about is if it's at least $6, that means that 6 is the smallest price that I could have. So I want to put the small part of the symbol by the 6 to show that 6 is the smallest. But if it's at least $6, I can also equal $6, and then it would still be at least $6. So on the second example, we've got there are more than 4 people in the room. So I've got people and 4. So if I think about this, I've got more than 4 people. So that means that 4 is the smallest. So I'm going to put the small point by the 4. And if there have to be more than 4, it means I can't equal 4. So if you look at both of these symbols use the greater than symbol, but this said at least, and this one said are more. So they're trying to trick you, but if you understand the process, it will always work. On the third example, we've got the bus will fit at most 55 people. So I've got P for people, and I know 55 is the key number. And so I think, okay, the bus fits at most. So that means that 55 has to be the biggest number that there will be. So I'm going to put the big part of the symbol by the 55. So I know 55 is the biggest. So then we have to ask ourselves, can we also have 55 people? Well, yes, because that would fall into at most 55. And on the last example, we've got there are less than 7 cookies left. So I've got cookies and 7. So if I have less than 7, that means that 7 is the biggest. But if I have to have less than 7, it means I can't include 7. So all 4 different signs with all 4 different words. But if you put the part by the number, it all makes sense and works every single time.